Ever heard of the saying, new is always better? Well, I have, especially in real estate. If given a choice, most buyers would prefer to buy a newer built home. But did you know that sometimes it could be beneficial to buy an older home? In this video, I will go over several factors comparing both types of homes, and then you can decide which way you want to go. Whichever home you decide to buy, make sure to read my exclusive guide I've prepared to help many buyers purchase homes. Comment down below and I will send it over. Hey everyone, it's Gourav Khatri and I help people buy, sell, and invest in real estate in Mississauga and the surrounding areas of the GTA. If you're in the market and need some guidance, you can book a quick intro call with me by clicking the link in the description down below. Now let's get to it. Repairs. Things like AC, furnace, appliances, windows, roof, etc. wear out over time and need to be repaired or replaced. The older they are, the more likely they are to need replacement. When purchasing an older home, these are some costs that you may have to look forward to, sometimes even immediately after purchasing. In addition to repairs, older homes are also outdated and may need some tender loving care, which basically means major renovations. In a newer home, you might probably face similar problems, but much later down the road. For example, the lifespan of a furnace is anywhere between 15 to 20 years, and a new furnace can cost up to $7,000. In a 5-year-old home, you probably have another 10 to 15 years before the furnace needs to be replaced. But in a 50-year-old home, the furnace would have been replaced twice already and probably be due for another replacement soon. Newer built homes also come with a Tarion warranty, which consists of a 1-year, 2-year, and 7-year limited warranties. These 3 warranties cover various aspects of newly built homes such as defects in materials, workmanship, violations of building code, etc. during the different phases of the warranty period. These warranties come with all new built homes in Ontario. Build quality. With labor, land, and materials being expensive, builders have resorted to using cheaper quality materials. For example, in older homes you will more than likely find good quality hardwood flooring, but it is very common to find cheap quality laminate flooring in newer built homes and condos. I've seen buyers renovate their newer homes immediately after purchasing. The Ontario Building Code came into being in 1975. It establishes specific requirements to building a new home. Hence, you will find many homes that were built before 1975 are not compliant with the Ontario Building Code. They may still have aluminum wiring, asbestos, and many other old and dangerous materials. The cost to remediate can be significant. However, the newer built homes are built as per the building code and with city permits. Size. With the growing population, the demand for housing is increasing. To meet this demand and to increase their profits, builders are trying to fit more houses on a piece of land. This results in smaller lot sizes and even smaller homes. It's getting even worse for condo apartments. I'm seeing condo apartments get smaller and smaller. For example, the average size of a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo apartment in a less than 5-year-old building is approximately 700 square feet. It's like living in a matchbox. These newer buildings and homes have barely any land for green space. You don't have this problem with older homes. You can find huge homes on big lots, and the buildings have quite a bit of land for open space. Smaller old homes can also be found on big lots, but the good thing is that there's potential to demolish a smaller home and construct a much larger one. Cost. Older homes are much more affordable than newer homes. For comparison, you can buy an older 2,500 square feet 4-bedroom detached home with a double-car garage for the same price of a newer 2,000 square feet 4-bedroom detached home with a single-car garage. One of the main reasons for that is construction is expensive and land is scarce. For perspective, if you were to buy a piece of land in a nearby location and if you were to construct a brand new home, it would cost at least 1.5 to 2 times the cost of purchasing an already constructed new home. Not to mention the time it would take to construct, along with the headache of dealing with workers, contractors, and the city for permits. I hope you're getting some value from this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Location. The central and the core part of city is usually more developed with amenities and access to major roads, public transit, etc. As the city grows, most of the land gets used up for housing and industrial development. Most of the available land is found in the outskirts of the city and is also more affordable. That's why builders buy up huge portions of land close to the city to construct new homes. Since these new homes were just vacant land before, these locations will probably not have any infrastructure or amenities for the first few years until the area is being developed. You will also be further out from the city and traveling a lot more for daily things such as groceries, entertainment, shopping, etc. Eventually, the infrastructure does get developed, but that's something that you need to decide if you want to spend a few years until the area is being developed, or would you rather be in an older home in an already developed area with access to all the amenities. Design. If you ever drive by a new subdivision, you will find that most homes look similar to each other. In fact, if you watch closely, you may even find homes that look exactly the same. That's because for every project, builders have a set few designs of the elevation of the home along with set floor plans and lot sizes. They mainly do this to consolidate costs. Same goes for the interior. The look and feel of the homes will be similar to each other. With older homes, you get to see more character. If you ever drive by an older neighborhood, you will get to see different sizes, colors, and styles of homes on the same street. In fact, these unique characteristics bring out the charm of the neighborhood. However, compared to older homes, newer homes tend to have functional layout with better use of space. You will also get to see higher ceilings with newer homes. Price appreciation. Older homes are located in areas where there's barely any room for newer development. And that's why if all of the factors are equal, older homes will appreciate in pricing as per the market conditions of demand and supply. But newer homes are built in areas with no amenities and plenty of room for growth. So when the amenities and infrastructure does get built, people will flock to these areas to eat at the new restaurants, shop at the new stores, and use other services. This will make the newer neighborhoods more desirable, thus making the prices appreciate at a faster rate. Let me know in comments down below which type of home you would prefer to buy. If you need to have an in-depth discussion about which type of home to buy in Mississauga or the surrounding areas of the GTA, you can contact me directly or book a call with me using the information in the description down below. And make sure to check out this next video.